Hey guys, this is Sundar Singh Pawar and today in this video I am going to tell you some problem about this device Realme 6 Pro. So video get started. So guys, first of all I would like to tell you that Realme 6 Pro device comes with lots of good features, but in this video I am going to tell you some bad things about Realme 6 Pro. So guys, remember this statement. Guys, the first bad thing about this phone Realme 6 Pro, that is its brightness. The brightness level of this phone is 450 nits. That company announced that this device comes with 450 nits of brightness, but this is not actual brightness of this phone. You can see this video and whenever I am going outside and the sunlight is directly striking on my device Realme 6 Pro, then I am suffering lots of problem. I am really unable to watch the display of this phone Realme 6 Pro. Even I made full brightness of this device, then also I am unable to see the display due to sun rays directly striking on this device. And apart from this, I would like to tell you that the Realme company and Realme devices all are come with same problem, same brightness problem. You have heard about Realme X2, that X2 has AMOLED display, but then also it comes with same problem, same brightness problem, but the Realme company fixed this issue by a update. So I think the Realme 6 Pro, I am thinking and I am sure that the Realme company will give update soon of this major issue and Realme company fix this bug in this device Realme 6 Pro. Second issue about this device Realme 6 Pro, I would like to tell you that it heating problem. Whenever I am going outside and playing PUBG, directly sun rays coming on the screen of this device, then suddenly it becomes hot, it becomes warm. But guys, really I don't think so it is a big issue, because Poco X2 and lots of other smartphones comes with same problem. Guys, heating is not a big issue in this device Realme 6 Pro, so guys don't worry. So guys, cons of this phone are ended and I'm going to end this video now. If you guys really like my video, so hit the subscribe button for supporting me and leave a comment in the comment box if you have any inquiry. And I am Sundar Singh Pawar and you are watching SSP Tech.